In this quick video tutorial, you will learn how to customize a YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. Hey digital learners, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Rahul from LearnDigitalWithRahul.com and I help digital creators like you turn your digital presence into profit using various digital marketing strategies. In today's video, you will learn how to customize a YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon so that you never miss an important update. Alright, now without any further delay, let's get started. As you might already be knowing that YouTube has recently upgraded its YouTube Studio from beta, and the new YouTube Studio has many new features and functionality and improved UI as well. So in the new YouTube Studio, you will notice many different things and new changes as well. Because of that, you might find it difficult to customize your YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. So let's jump over my computer and let me show you how to customize your YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. Alright, so here we are on the home page of my brand new YouTube channel, which is YouTube Shorts with Rahul. And I have created this brand new channel to play around with YouTube's new beta feature, which is YouTube Shorts. In case you don't know what is YouTube Shorts, this is basically a new functionality on YouTube where you may upload short form vertical videos up to 60 seconds. With YouTube Shorts, YouTube is trying to compete with Instagram Reels as well as TikTok. I have discussed more about that in one of the recent videos. Click on the card above to watch that. Alright, I'm not going to go into details about that in this video, and let's proceed to see how we can customize this YouTube channel. So here, as you can see, I haven't uploaded any video yet, and the YouTube channel cover art as well as the channel logo is not uploaded. So I'll proceed to customize this YouTube channel. And to customize any YouTube channel, you get two options in the new YouTube Studio. You may either directly click on the Customize Channel button and this will take you to the Customize Channel settings, or alternatively, you may also go to the channel dashboard by clicking here on Manage Videos, and then from the left menu items, scroll down until you see Customization. And when you see Customization, click on that and this will take you to the channel customization settings, the same settings that you could go directly by clicking on Customize Channel button. Alright, now let's move on to this tab, and in Customization settings, you get the option for channel customization. And here the first tab is for layout, and you may customize the layout of your channel here. You may add a channel trailer. You may also feature a video for returning subscribers, and then you can show videos in the featured section. But since I haven't uploaded any video yet, so I'll leave it for now and proceed to the branding tab. And on the branding tab, here you get option to upload a profile picture that is also your channel logo, and the recommended dimension size for the channel profile picture is 98 into 98 pixels and 4 MB or less. I have already created a profile picture for my channel, so I'm not going to go into step-by-step instructions about how to create. If you need help regarding that, let me know in the comments below and I'll create a separate video about that. So once you have got your profile picture ready with you, you will simply click upload here and then select the file that you want to upload as your YouTube profile picture. I'll select this one and then click open. And now on the next step, you may customize the profile picture to look the way exactly you want to show it. You may pinch from here to adjust it and then drag up or down to adjust the corners. Here it's worth noting that this circle is the one that will be shown in the circular field. So you have to ensure that your picture fits perfectly within that. If it will be down, then it will cut the top portion, or if it will be on the left, then it will cut the right portion, which wouldn't look perfect. So you have to ensure that you are adjusting it perfectly to look good in small screen as well. Alright, this looks good and I'm happy with this selection. So I'll proceed to click on done, and this will show the preview of how your profile picture will look like on your channel. For me, it looks perfect. So I'll proceed on the next option, that is banner image. And for banner image, the recommended dimension is at least 2048 into 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less in size. Again, I have already created my channel cover art, which I'll be using as the banner image. So I'll simply click upload and then select the image that I want to use as the banner image on my channel, and then click open. Again, you can pinch from the corners to adjust it or drag here and there to adjust what it should look like. For now, I'll drag it to the corner and then pinch from here to fit into the entire area. And here you get the options to preview how it would look like on various screens. Like you can see how it will be shown on the TV, and here you can see how it will be viewable on the desktop. For me, it looks perfect, so I'll proceed to click done, and this will now show a small preview of how it would look like. Let me zoom in to show you exactly that. It looks good. So now we have uploaded the profile picture for our channel as well as the banner image, which will be used as channel cover art. Now further, you may also upload a video watermark for your channel. Video watermark is basically an image as watermark on your channel, and you can use images with call to actions like click here to subscribe. And the recommended dimension for the video watermark image would be 150 by 150 pixels. I have already created a separate video about how to create and add video watermark on your YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. So make sure you watch that. In case you want to learn that, click on the card above to watch that. I have already got an image for video watermark, so I'll click upload and then select the image that I want to use as video watermark. I'll click open, and again you may adjust it similarly the way we previously did. Once done with the selection, click done, and this will be uploaded as your video watermark. Further, you may also choose the display time to customize when the watermark should be displayed on your videos. Once done with all the customizations, let's proceed to the channel homepage and refresh it to see how it should look like. But when we refreshed it, as you can see, none of the changes took place. And the reason behind that is we have made the changes but we haven't saved it yet. So it's worth noting that you need to click this publish button after you make any changes. Because if you don't click this publish button, your changes will not be saved and published. So I'll click publish, and now these changes have been saved. To verify it, I'll go back to the previous tab again and I'll refresh this channel homepage. And as you can see, the channel cover art has already changed, but we can't see the channel profile picture yet, and that's because it takes some time to update here. So don't worry, just relax and check back later in few minutes, and then it will start showing because it is already showing here. So this confirms that the channel profile picture has been changed, but it's not reflecting it here. So just wait, and after few minutes it will be shown here. Alright, now go back to the previous tab again and let's proceed with the customization of the remaining settings, that is the basic info tab. On the basic info, you may change the channel name and description here. If you want to change your channel name, you may make changes here and then add some description like and once done with adding the channel description, you may further add languages here, or you may also add links to sites that you want to share with your viewers. I'll add one here. So I have added one link on my channel that leads to my website homepage. And if you want, you may further add more links as well. But I don't want to add more links. So I'll click this delete button and this will be removed. Alright, now here you may decide how many links should be shown on your channel banner. Like whether you want to show the first link only, or first 2 links, or 3 links, 4 links, 5 links. You may show up to 5 links on your YouTube channel banner. And lastly, you may add your contact info, that is your email address, so that people may contact you for business related cooperations, sponsorships and deals. And once done with all these changes, again don't forget to click this publish button, otherwise your changes will not be saved. Here it shows the notification that changes have been published. Now click go to channel and you can see the all new changes published on your channel. Simply go to about tab and you can see the description as well as email address and links to your homepage that can also be seen here. So this is how you customize your YouTube channel in the new YouTube Studio. By the way, if you want to learn YouTube SEO strategies, visit youtubeseoacademy.com to download your free checklist of YouTube SEO cheat sheet. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit that like button and subscribe for more such updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below and I'll try my best to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating digital content and feel proud to be a #digital creator.